an Easter soap called Easter Sunday. This is a This is a triple butter melt and pour glycerin soap, and also clear glycerin soap. I wanted to do an Easter soap for kids, so I made some bunnies and some little bunny soaps of different colors and some little Easter eggs. I have some Easter flowers, some Easter grass. Here's the Easter flowers. And it's going to be fragranced with sweet pea fragrance oil from Rustic Escentuals. I'm putting in some Super Sparkles mica from Nurture Soap just to give it a little shimmer. Now, we got to put these, the grass embeds in. You want to spray them with rubbing alcohol so that they bind with the other soap. So I'm going to go ahead and get that layer down first, because my grass is going to go first. I'm going to go ahead and pour that. And while that is, check the temp on that. Okay, I'm going to let that cool for just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and start melting my other clear glycerin soap base in 30-second increments. I'm going to drop in all of my embeds there. And I hope y'all can see this. I'm going to move it so y'all can see a little better. I'll actually slice this in about 2 or 3 hours from now, after it's had time to set really good. Okay, now I have my other layer melted down and my fragrance oil is added. I'm just going to spritz the top of this with alcohol. I will be right back. I'm going to go in with some eggs, little eggs. Okay, so I'm going to spritz this down. I'm going to pour in the next layer. And this is sweet, like I said, with sweet pea. I may put some Easter eggs on top. That may be what I do. So I'm going to pour the last little layer on. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put a few, I've already sprayed these down with rubbing alcohol. I'm going to put a few shreds of the grass on the top. And then I'm going to place the flowers on the top like this. Alright, these eggs, I'm going to lay those on the top. Wherever I can find a space to stick it, and it will hold. I'm going to stick it in there. These will all be random because they'll all be in different places. I like the Easter eggs on the top like this though. And I think when it's all sliced up, it's going to be really pretty. We'll see. Alright, so there we have it. I'm going to come back when this is cooled off. I'll slice it up and we will see how it turns out on the inside. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get y'all down so y'all can see really, really good. We slice this with a different cutter than what we slice our other soaps with. I have a crinkle cutter that I use that cuts the soap differently than what y'all are used to seeing. I don't make a lot of melt and pour soaps, but I really like to make them for the kids for special occasions. All right, let me put my gloves on to show y'all. So there's the first piece. I'm going to slide this back a little and I'll take it piece by piece up to the front so y'all can see. It's got the little bunny, the little egg, a little piece of the flower. This sweet pea fragrance smells so good in this soap. Alright, there's the second piece. And it's got a little egg on the top. Let's see what the next piece is going to look like. Alright, let's see what this piece looks like. In this piece, we've got flowers. We've got grass. We have a pink Easter bunny over here. Easter eggs on the top. And then we've got a bunny on, we got two bunnies in this one. We've got a blue one and a purple one. And of course the pink one on this side. So cute. I love, that's probably my favorite piece so far. So this has got the grass and the flower and the Easter eggs and a bunny. Of course, Easter eggs on top. And when I flip it over, it's got Easter eggs, flowers, and grass. Soap's like a box of chocolates, like Forrest Gump says. You never know what you're going to get. That's the truth. Alright, so this one has a blue bunny into the soap, and then it has your flowers and your flowers and eggs on top. And I love it. I love it. Let's see what's next. Alright, so we have Easter bunnies, grass, flowers. I love it. So cute and so pretty. So flower, Easter bunnies, grass, and eggs. Same with this one. There we have it. I'll post some pictures at the end. Thank y'all so much for watching. Melt and pour is so easy. You can make it with your children. They're not having to mess with chemicals other than maybe fragrance oil. You just have to be careful with the temperature. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank y'all and have a great day.